I'ma go get her. Rolex on, Lambo gone. I fly than an asteroid, we on steroids, that's that strong. A ball out bitch, come catch me. Thirsty ass bitch, don't sweat me. I just wanna fuck your face, fuck your name, I'ma call you Becky. My watch, my ring, you know what I drink. That's right, put it on ice. Got freezer burn in my chain. Pop star chick tryna hide in my range. She don't wanna be in no pictures. We ain't tryna be on no TMZ. She just tryna gobble this dick up. Call her phone, she can't pick up. I shoot it in her face, it's a stick up. I walked in, threw a couple bands to my jeweler, tell him go ahead and light my bitch up. Bitch, I'm getting to the bread like a pigeon. Plus I got loud pack all in my system. Triple stick, bitch, I don't smoke no swishers. And I'm on that ass like bumper stickers. Thicker with the pussy killer. She screams so loud you would think I killed her. Soon as I'm done, I'ma have to dismiss her. 30 minutes later, here come her sister. Pimp shit, nigga, I'm rich, they know. I smoke, they blow. Juicy J, I'm about to go and buy a tour bus just for all of my hoes.
You know who it is. Johnny Socket. The plug's plug. Tony Strugolano. What up, Jelly? Hey, homie, hold it down. Let these fuckboys know we really getting it out here. Shit. This our year, homie. These ain't the only keys I got, you feel me? Hey, I want y'all to take a step into my world. Jelly, take them to the trap house, homie.
You see the flow straight nitro, Jelly roll psycho. I've been known to make them say